Panthi Agro Farm Pvt. Limited is a modern and progressive agricultural farm located in Ward number 6 of Bardghat Municipality, Nepal. This farm was established with the aim of providing healthy, fresh and organic agricultural products at the local level. This farm mainly carries out works like vegetable farming, fruit farming and animal husbandry in a systematic manner. The goal is to increase production and produce quality food by combining modern agricultural technology and traditional experience. Panthi Agro Farm also aims to inspire local farmers, attract youth towards agriculture and create employment opportunities in the village. In the future, our goal is to increase agricultural production by using more modern technology and move the country towards self-reliant agriculture. But due to technical glitches, it didn't work out as expected. Is it because of the following reasons? Nepal is known as an agricultural country. Even today, about 80% of Nepalese people's livelihood is connected to agriculture in some way. But in reality, the goods produced by farmers do not always get a fair price in the market. Despite the effort, time, and cost involved in production, farmers are increasingly frustrated when they do not get the expected returns. Sometimes, even if farmers produce well, problems arise due to poor market management. The production in the farmers' fields is high, but when it reaches the market, the price decreases or it is difficult to sell. On the other hand, in the media, we also hear news that a large amount of agricultural goods are being imported from abroad. Seeing such a situation, the question naturally arises, if farmers are producing in our country, why are so many imports being made from abroad? There are many reasons behind this. First, the lack of a planned agricultural policy and long-term strategy. The agricultural sector does not seem to be able to move forward steadily due to changes in government, lack of policy continuity, and incomplete plans. Second, the lack of a scientific agricultural system. Modern technology, research, storage systems, processing industries, and market management have not been sufficiently developed, making it difficult to balance production and market. From a scientific perspective, 4 basic things are considered necessary for agriculture to be successful. Scientific production planning, storage and processing systems, market access, price stability. Only when these 4 aspects are balanced can the goods produced by farmers get a fair price. The role of the local government is even more important in this. Because the local level knows the actual situation of the land, farmers, products and markets within its area best. Therefore, it is very important for each municipality or rural municipality to make a plan to manage the agricultural products produced in its area. For example, if a municipality produces a lot of vegetables, the local government can develop a collection center, cold storage, market management, and cooperative system in collaboration with farmers. If the market is organized by prioritizing local products in this way, the possibility of farmers getting a fair price increases and the need for imports from outside may also be reduced. From a political perspective, agriculture is not just a profession, but also a matter related to the national economy and food security. If farmers are discouraged, production will decrease, imports will increase as production decreases, and imports will increase, which may further weaken the country's economic situation. Therefore, policies that encourage farmers, stable plans, and scientific agricultural systems are necessary. Ultimately, the main desire of farmers is not much. They only want two things: the opportunity to produce and a fair price for their produce. If the state, local governments, the market system, and society all work together to create an environment that supports farmers, the agricultural sector can become strong. If we can move forward by respecting farmers' hard work, providing them with the right price, and adopting a scientific and planned agricultural system, Nepal's agricultural future can be bright. Thanks to all.